From dawn to dusk, we are tirelessly running behind money. Moreover, the life of the middle class is a daily struggle.
Today, the youth's life is confused.
What course to pursue to become successful? Are they getting the right salary for our qualification or the job we do? Is the salary increase cope up with the present inflation rate? How far is our job secured? Is the business in which we involve gives us the expected returns? Can we cope up with the competition that is hotting up every day? The result? Tension, despair, sadness, stress. Is there any wonder that can happen to change our lives? The world has already seen the 7 wonders, and here is the 8th wonder, Vestige. Your victory. Victory of the self-confident. The world of Vestige. World-class consumer and healthcare products marketing company Vestige was started by Mr. Gautam Bali in 2004. Starting with just 2 branch offices, 2 products and 6 distributors, this company has been now growing at a phenomenal rate of 135% growth every year on year. They have their own manufacturing facility in Himachal Pradesh. All over India, they have 39 branch offices and more than 2,550 distributor points. They have already opened 2 international offices in Nepal and Dubai. By 2018, the company's presence will be in minimum 20 countries. Vestige has helped more than 1,500 of its members in achieving their own cars. More than 10 people have purchased world-class luxury cars like Audi, Mercedes-Benz and BMW. More than 1,000 people are earning more than 1 lakh per month. He is Mr. R.S. Rajan. Some years ago, he was just an ordinary middle-class person struggling to meet the both ends. He searched ways to succeed in life, but only met with lot of struggle. Then he joined the Vestige family with the help of his friend. With sheer hard work and dedication, he climbed the ladder of success and reached the top position. He started with just 1600 rupees and now within a short period of 3 years, with just part-time effort, his income is 8.5 lakhs per month. Earlier, he used to own a Maruti car, but with the help of Vestige, he achieved Chevrolet Beat, Fiat Linea, and now he is a proud owner of a world-class luxury car, Mercedes-Benz. Twice every year, Vestige has offered him and his family opportunity to tour the world's best tourist places. He has now visited Tashkent in Russia, Singapore, Malaysia, Switzerland, Thailand, Belgium, Netherlands, and Paris in France, and now Dubai. His next trip is to Australia and New Zealand. Following his steps, many under him are earning more than 1 lakh every month today. Not only money, but also cars. is not possible only to them, but it is possible to you also. Just by purchasing 600 rupees of products for your home needs, you can become the distributor of Vestige for your lifetime. There are no renewals required. The company and your seniors will eagerly help you to enrich your skill and knowledge with this. And with your own dedicated, determined effort, you too can become successful and change your life. Your life is in your hands. We welcome you to the Vestige family and create a path to success. To know more about the business and Vestige products, the person showing you this short video will also show you the business opportunity video, and you could attend one of the seminars he will invite you, which is free of cost. Take the right step and let this be an unforgettable day in your life forever. God bless you.